Hey everybody, it's Roger with Roger's Reviews, and got a package to open today. Can you give me some scissors?
Where are they?
Nope, I don't need them. I don't know what this is.
You should have been.
Oh, these are the, there's some over there with the green handles up on top. See it like in the stainless steel. Turn around. You were looking at them. You were looking at them. Turn around. Turn around. On the, see that stainless steel cup? Down, down. Green handles. Left. Right, you're touching it. You're touching it. Green handles. See the green handle sticking up? There you go. All right. Don't run with scissors. Just put them on the table. Thank you. All right, this is the, these are the Velcro straps. I got these for the electric bike because I guess the battery falls off. So hopefully this will be handy for, man, I didn't need this many of them, but this strap will go around the bike. And I guess I'll put 2 or 3 together and it'll go all around the bike and the battery, and then I'll be able to tighten it from both sides to make it super tight. That should be big enough, and I can add a third one if I have to hold the battery on the bike, because they said that there's some shorter ones and some longer ones, different sizes. And I think these are the longest ones, so let me see how long these are. Lock on. Yeah, these are real long. Okay. I thought I was stuck with a bunch of short ones, but there's 3 sizes if it'll let me pull one out without unraveling the whole pack. All right. There's a long one. So you got long, got a little one, you have a medium one, medium, and long. So 3 different sizes. This is like 2 feet, and you got about 8 or 10 inches, and then you got like a 6 inch or whatever. So 3 sizes in this pack. That's what the pack looks like on the back. Lock on. So I'm going to attempt to put these back, which you probably won't be able to. The big ones in first. So I'll have enough Velcro straps forever. We'll never need all these straps, but I'm sure I'll find a use for them. All right, this is Roger with Roger's Reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.